Hey TOTers, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video that I put together for you. Before we start today's video though, I would like you to please take a minute and hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so that way you get notified of every single video that I make today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about an exciting new update, something that's been long awaited. It's been talked about in the community, and it is something that is seemingly starting to finally see daylight and looking like it's coming to the table. Can't wait to see it. That's right. What we're talking about today is the Cosmic Desktop, the actual desktop written in Rust by System76 for their distribution of Pop! OS. What is so amazing about it is that they actually are writing it from the ground up. It's a revamp. It's not a fork of. It's completely 100% authentic to them. It's something that they have done it with for passion, and it's something that is actually starting to look very, very nice. Of course, everybody's like, well, we don't necessarily know exactly what it's going to be, but you know, whispers down the road have said that they're going to do like some UI performances. They're going to do some integration for new user interfaces and stuff like that. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at it. So the first thing we're going to look at is actually their web page, right here, which is their Cosmic DE first spring update. It's over at 76. I'll put the link in the description down below. It's the March updates. What they've done is they've redone the launcher. As you can see, it's a nice task launcher. It's not exactly 100% GNOME centric, but it looks and feels still a little bit like GNOME. They maximize the full screen, maximize and full screen, excuse me. In the maximize and full screen, what they've done is they've allowed the full screen app to actually cover the top panel instead of being, you know, below the panel. So it's actually a true full screen display. If panels are always hidden or intelligently hide, there's really a difference between the maximize and the full screen in Cosmic. So you're going to want to set, once you get it installed, you're going to want to set it to intelligent hide or hide them so that way you could actually get the full real estate value of the full screen. Tiling. Now they're tiling, which as we all know, they have the extension that's the tiling extension, which is very, very nice. It's one of the things that I like about Cosmic or the Pop! OS is that they have that tiling option. And what's really, really nice is it's very configurable from gaps. And also they've added additional features for hints and making auto tiling easier for more users who are also in the works. Some of the tiling features are getting cloned and to parity with Pop! OS 2204 LTS. So that is kind of cool. And one of the notable is the stacking tiling. So Cosmic Time is their Ice GUI Toolkit animation crate is now readily and published. So Cosmic Time provides a simple API to build and show complex animations efficiently. So, and that's actually been borrowed by a couple other applications out there that are using it. So it's kind of cool. And then they've done big performance improvements that have made that have been made to Cosmic Text and the text editor for one. RAM usage for the text editor has been almost cut in half. There's a lot of other performance issues in the background for RAM that they've done. Also, the X-Whale Cosmic comp improvements have been done as well, so they've reduced a lot of demand on the CPU. So that being said, they've done a lot to make it a lot smoother and a lot faster. But what's really cool is we're going to take a look at the actual lock screen. This is the part that I think is really, 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 really cool. So with the lock screen, as you can see here, this is what it looks like. And if you go, and I'll put the link in the web page where you can actually go and you can actually click on it. There's a part for testing where you can actually test it and see what it looks like. It's pretty cool. So this is the revamp. They've got the wallpaper. I think you can download the wallpaper too, also from the link where I'm going to post that. So you can download this wallpaper if you really, really like it. So it's really, really nice. Overall, it's a wonderful dark theme. And as you can see, they've taken and kind of shrunk it down to this small window here that has everything you need in it, with all the basics in it, from looking over here from your accessibility to your keyboard type to suspension to your power menu to rebooting. Also gives you your battery symbol and your connectivity as well, so you know where you're at on laptop. And then you got your login part under Jane Doe where it says, you know, type in your password. And also to test it on their online portal, it is TEST is the actual password to log in. And of course, when you log in, you go to their new Cosmic desktop, which looks just like the regular standard, you know, Pop OS desktop. But either way, it's a very, very, very fine looking login screen. I mean, they've taken it, and I could actually kind of see this type of login screen being something a little bit more prevalent in the future. Either way, guys, I think that it's pretty well exciting to see that the work is being done. It's been a long process to get here so far. They've done major strides in it. And so I really think that it's going to be fantastic. Either way, guys, tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Go over, test drive the actual login page and see what it feels like and what it's going to look like, and tell me what you guys think of it down below. I kind of see GDM going this way, or maybe SDDM or whatever. I kind of see them, you know, kind of, you know, because it's what GNOME's been doing. Like their, you know, their system tray area for the power session has been like getting smaller, and getting like compacted down into just a one-click thing. So it kind of is semblant to that. So I think that's where they took the inspiration of. But either way, I think it's fantastic. Either way, guys, tell me what you think. Let me know anything that you guys want me to cover, or any ideas that you may have on what I just talked about in the comments down below. Either way, I'm going to tell you, y'all keep doing what you do. Keep on Linuxing. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And as always, I will see you in the very next one.
I think the girls with their nails done now.